Hello Freedom Tool users. In this video we'll be going over how to resolve all authorization errors that begin with the number 6144. You're receiving this authorization error because your computer's date is set to the incorrect date. As you can see on the screen, if you look to the bottom right, my computer currently has the year set to 1992. We can fix this by closing out of our Freedom Tool software, selecting the time and date in the bottom right hand corner, and then by selecting the date and time settings button. At this point you could either hit the button that says set time automatically, or you could select the change button and manually change the date and time. Once you have successfully changed the date to the correct date, you can close out of the settings window, open up your Freedom Tool. I'm using a Schindler Freedom Tool, so I'm going to go ahead and select Schindler. My COM port is COM1, and my security key has passed. If your security key does not pass, you will need to reboot your computer. So thank you for watching, and feel free to visit us at www.world-electronics.com.